Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a label and classify the notes on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a label in your Google Keep, I'm just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on this three dot option on the side. Then you have this option called create a new label. Click on this. Now just type the label name. For an example, here just going to type as tick. Then click OK. Now the label has been created. So now you just go down and here now just going to select multiple things. For an example, about some topics and OK. So now you have this label option on the top, the near the color option. This is the label option. So now you can just select the label. You just need to apply. Just click this. That's it. You can see actually it labeled. So you can just go to the label, tech label. So you can find all the label that created to the tech related topics. So you can just find all things at the one place. You can create multiple label. For an example, you can just create multiple label. You can either show on the side. So the video label has been empty and photo label has been empty and tech label have some of content. So go to the notes. You can just add multiple labels for multiple things, so it's easier to view on the classification of your notes, and it's simply you can just easily work on your workflow on your daily needs. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.